guys. So good to see you. Hi, welcome to campus, guys.
Hi, so this ride's very similar to Toy Story Mania. You sit in a vehicle and it moves you around to different segmented screens, but the only difference is instead of holding a cannon, there's sensors placed in the ride to track your hand movements so you're able to hit targets on the screen.
Tech like me, for example. I'm Sharon, the artificial intelligence that keeps this place organized and running smoothly. Yes, Web has some of the brightest minds in the world, but I keep things around here pretty chill, so the kids can create the next big idea that will give you the tools to become the next generation of heroes. We hope you have a great time on your visit to the Worldwide Engineering Brigade Open House. And now, our project lead, the brilliant, Peter Parker.
Hey, what's up? I'm Peter Parker, and here at Web we get access to some pretty awesome tech like Vibranium from Wakanda, or this crazy alien juice stuff. We have pink particles and Stark Tech. It all helps us develop really cool stuff like these spider bots, for example. Check it out, they have this really cool self-replicating feature. Because it's awesome. Buddy, you can stop doing that now. But anyway, you guys are here today to help us test the web slinger vehicle. Using onboard tech, you will be able to sling webs just like my buddy Spiderman.
Peter, your presentation is getting away from you.
Yeah, I'm aware of that, Sharon. If you could just initiate the safety protocols, it'd be great.
Problem with that,
So
Peter?
anyway, if you want to sling a web, all you gotta do is sling your arm in the direction you want to shoot the web, and that's it. It's awesome.
Peter, your spider bots are continuing to replicate and are consuming everything in their path.
They seem to be stuck in self-replication mode. If you could just handle that for me, please.
On it. Contacting Mr. Stark.
Don't call Mr. Stark! Don't call Mr. Stark. Sorry, Sharon. Could you just call someone else? Ask them to do it.
Okay. Contacting Spider-Man.
I'm gonna go find Spider-Man for myself because he's around here somewhere. Okay, goodbye. Spider-Man!
As you may have noticed, the spider bots are locked in that awesome self-replication mode. In spite of what you see, they were created to be robotic helpers that can break down raw material and create all kinds of useful tech. But because they are stuck in self-replication mode, the spider bots are currently consuming everything in sight and multiplying at an alarming rate. If left unchecked, my calculations predict this will lead to the devastation of the entire Avengers Campus. Well, it should be safe until Spider-Man gets here, as long as they don't get into the alien fluid. This is now a bigger problem. Activating threat level protocols.
Hey guys, what's up? I hear you have a bug problem. I'm here to help.
You made it. Great. Threat level is at exponential danger. We might need some help. Perhaps I'll call the Avengers?
Don't worry, everyone. I got this. Okay, everybody. Open house is canceled.
Wise idea.
But I could use some help.
Yes, you could.
Sharon, prep the slinger vehicles.
Already on it.
Everyone head to the slingers and we'll team up to stop the spider bots before they destroy the campus. It's easy.
Okay, we have a plan. Please move quickly through the doors and down the hall to the slinger vehicle bay. Your open house demo has been upgraded to a high-stakes mission to save Avengers Campus.
Web vision targeting glasses. They'll look good on you. Trust me.
Pull your left bar down right. Slide over. Push up, push up.
I'm glad to see you guys.
Start slinging. Just extend your arm.
Also the exit.
As you can.
They're heading into the tunnels. We gotta catch them.
Elevating threat level to out of control. Should I call for more help now?
No. We can handle it. It's a small problem. Actually, big problem.
Start slinging.
Yeah, we got him. Right?
We did, but I'm detecting unstable thoughts ahead. The swarm.
Broken containment again, right?
Sorry. Elevating threat level to legit crazy.
Yeah, that sounds right.
Start slinging.
Wait, what? I'm trapped.
Use the yellow power cell off those scrolls. Spider-Man losing consciousness in 3, 2, 1.
Oh, that was close.
Spider-Man, the threat level's at the worst thing ever. Also, the giant boss survived. But those chain reactions did work.
Wait, the green bots explode. If we intentionally hit those green bots, maybe we'll trigger a chain reaction.
I think you're right. That should stop them.
I got an idea. We did it! I can't believe the chain reaction did work. You guys were amazing.
I'm very impressed, Spider-Man. You really solved the problem.
Well, I couldn't have done it without them.
That was also your idea.
Hey, it's Peter. Looks like you guys and Spider-Man really saved the day.
Correct. Downgrading threat level to don't tell Tony.
Actually, better tell Tony.
I think that's a wise decision, Peter. Hey, thanks for attending our open house presentation and preventing the destruction of the world as we know it. Please collect your wits and any personal belongings as you exit the vehicle. See you later.
Find the word exposition, and it will be able to come out of something. Now, what is it that can make other people worthy? It takes more than just being the strongest Avenger. It takes more than really, really good looks. No, it's much more than that. Being able to put
Moi, je mangerais pas trop loin, quoi.
My friends, you're one step closer to your exciting encounter with the Guardians of the Galaxy. You are now standing in my private office.
I know!
Where I
Carefully scrutinize each and every piece that comes to me from different parts of the galaxy. Enough of this guy! Why? Of course I escape! A billion volts may be a good deterrent, but it also turns an electric toothbrush into a very aggressive drill. For those of you who have not been paying attention, the name's Rocket, one of the Guardians of the Galaxy, the smart one. Listen up! He's gonna put you on a gantry lift for your tour. I'm sneaking through the ducts, and I'll meet you on top of your lift and take us all the way up to the big old generator control room. I'm gonna blast that thing and destroy all the control systems, which will open up every cage in this freak show and free my friends. Our buddy Mantis is in the getaway ship waiting for my signal, and then we'll be on our merry way. But this plan won't work unless you help. I don't have clear...
Attention please. For your safety once on board, please remain seated with your restraints securely fastened. Keep your hands, arms, feet and legs inside the gantry lift at all times. And please watch your Terran children. Thank you. Para su seguridad, una vez a bordo, por favor, the clearance. Scan complete. You may now enter the gantry lift.
Follow by row 4, top row to the left. On your tour, there is no flash photography or video recording allowed. Please make sure to hang on to all loose articles that include hats, bags, glasses, loved ones, basically anything that you would like to keep in your collection and not add to ours.
Show me those hands, people! You got clearance, let's roll! Okay.
Ladies and gentlemen, please gather your belongings and watch your step.